Hello and welcome. This is Attorney Alan Edmunds, and I'm speaking to you from our office in Florida. The Edmunds Law Firm, as you know, helps active duty military and civilians with security clearances across the United States. And in fact, we are a global law firm. We have clients deployed around the world in the Middle East and the Pacific Rim. Today, I want to talk to you about a case that we just got the results following a security clearance hearing. And one of our attorneys litigated this case. It was on the West Coast. And I want to read you some of the facts of this case so that you can understand how the Edmunds Law Firm approaches these cases to win the case and keep the clearance and the job for our client. So our client, this case starts out, our client is a individual. He's 52 years of age. He's married. He has a wife that's from Korea, and he moved his wife from Korea to the United States in 2015. He was prior United States Air Force active duty, and he retired from the Air Force. And then he had a series of hardships. He lost employment. He was divorced and married a number of times, and he was underemployed. And these are mitigating factors that our attorney presented at this hearing. The government used Guideline F, financial concerns, to attempt to revoke his clearance. And what was interesting is that throughout the hearing, there were 9 debts that totaled about $34,000. But our client took the stand, testified as we had prepared him, and basically denied that he owed the money in the majority of the debts. And what the judge said was really amazing. After he acknowledged the denial, he said, "I found that the government had not proven the debts." Our client was deployed. He didn't know about the debts. Many of the debts were not on his credit report. And so the judge found that a lot of the proof required to be shown by the government was not established. And the government lost this case. Our client kept his clearance because we furnished mitigation. We filed a series of exhibits, and over 20 exhibits were filed. And he took the testimony of our client. Our client was prepared to testify both on direct examination and prepared to take cross-examination from the judge and the government attorney. So these cases are tough. This is the #1 guideline that the government uses to revoke your clearance. And we have been doing this for 45 years. You can reach us at 800-481-2526. I'm Attorney Alan Edmunds, and we sent one of our best litigators to this case, which was in California. We have offices across the United States, so call us anytime, 800-481-2526, and let us help you keep your job and keep your clearance. Thank you.